News Inc.
Your voice in the ink of truth. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Croatian counterpart Andrej Plenković held delegation-level talks in Zagreb. Both leaders issued press statement in Baško Dovri after the talk. Prime Minister Modi emphasized shared global concerns and outlined avenues for deeper bilateral cooperation between India and Croatia. Prime Minister Modi underscored the importance of peaceful resolution of conflicts, stating, whether in Europe or Asia, solutions cannot be found on the battlefield. Dialogue and diplomacy are the only viable paths forward. He also emphasized the importance of respecting the sovereignty and territorial integrity of all nations. The Prime Minister reiterated that terrorism is the enemy of humanity and a threat to democratic nations worldwide. He extended his heartfelt thanks to Prime Minister Plenković and the Croatian government for their condolences following the terrorist attack in India on 22 April. He thanks Croatian PM and people as they supported India in such a difficult times. The two leaders agreed to expand bilateral trade and build reliable supply chains. Prime Minister Modi announced several areas of enhanced cooperation, including pharmaceuticals, agriculture, information technology, clean and digital technologies, renewable energy, semiconductors. Mr. Modi said cooperation in shipbuilding and cybersecurity will also be strengthened. He said in the defense sector, both nations will draft a long-term defense cooperation plan covering joint training, military exchanges, and defense industry collaboration. Prime Minister Modi highlighted the shared values that bind India and Croatia: democracy, rule of law, pluralism, and equality. He expressed confidence in the growing friendship based on these principles. He noted the widespread popularity of yoga in Croatia and expressed his appreciation for the local enthusiasm. Looking ahead to International Yoga Day on 21st June, he said he was confident that, as in previous years, the people of Croatia would celebrate the occasion with great fervor. Prime Minister Modi's remarks reinforced the deepening ties between India and Croatia and reflected a shared commitment to global peace, democratic values, and mutual growth.
News Inc.
Your voice in the ink of truth.